Hey there, how are you doing? Team Nokia Power User here, and we welcome you all to a very interesting video. And this video is much awaited. In this video, we will test the performance of Nokia at Sirocco, the latest flagship from HMD. So, Nokia at Sirocco is powered by Snapdragon 835 processor, and that combined with 6 GB RAM and pure Android should be formidable. We say that because on Nokia 8 with Snapdragon 835 plus 4 GB RAM plus pure Android, we have seen how fast it has been. So it's blazing. Nokia 8 is blazing fast, and it was able to beat devices like iPhone X and other Android flagships very easily because the combination of pure Android and the like RAM and the processor is like a winning combination. So in theory, if Nokia 8 is so good with 4 GB RAM, Nokia 8 Sirocco should be better with 6 GB RAM. Though we know that Nokia 8 came with 6 GB RAM variant later, but as you know, this is the global variant, common variant. So, and the common variant of Nokia 8 Sirocco comes with 6 GB RAM. So that is a good news. So as we said, in theory, it should be faster than even Nokia 8. But okay, obviously we will put that to test. We will do a comparison with Nokia 8 later, but in this video, let's evaluate Nokia 8 Sirocco individually. So we will do lots of gaming, browsing, multitasking, heavy multitasking, very heavy browsing and gaming, etc. And we will also see how the general task was. So starting with the general daily tasks, it is very easy. As you can see, it's quite fast, does not give you any kind of like uh, any chance of any complaint. Whatever you throw at it, it handles it everything with ease. Quite uniform, very fast. So I just like it. Now let's open some apps and let's see how fast or slow it is. So as you can see, it near instantaneous, just like what you have seen on Nokia 8 as well. So we can open the camera. Camera opens really fast. Let's do some short to short timing. So this was when the flash is on. Let's put the flash on auto. So as you can see, camera is very fast. And this is when we have many things open in the background. Now let's see what all is open in the background, and you'll be surprised. So we have a browser, and the browser is here with 10 tabs open, which is like obviously, it comes in the heavy bracket itself. 10 tabs open. Now what else is open in the background? If you go here, you will see 4 heavy games. So these 4 heavy games, and these are, like, mind you, one of the heaviest games for Android. Injustice, Gods Amongst Us, Mortal Kombat X, Asphalt 8, and GTA San Andreas. So GTA San Andreas is one of the games that many asked us to include in performance evaluation because it is obviously one of the heaviest games. So with 4 heavy games open in the background, 10 browser tabs, and other apps open in the background, it is really a test to see how it can handle, whether it can handle it with ease or not. So as you know, it's always difficult to do a gaming test when when you are making a video, but we will try, and we will see funny things happening. So okay. Okay, and it's wasted. So uh, it's gone anyway. So but you can as you can notice, we have been able to. So as we said, we'll do a bit of a gaming, not too much. It's just to test. And as you can notice, with those many heavy games open in the background with browser etc., here I can play it with quite ease. So now time to send it to the background. Let's open other games which are open in the background. So it will be a very good test, as I said. So injustice among gods amongst us. Then we will certainly like see other games also, and obviously we will go to the browsing also. But you can actually notice that browsing is quite good here, quite would be efficient. We have already seen that 10 tabs are open there. So this is like pushing the device to extreme with those many heavy games. So this actually gives us like if you evaluate two things: how good the memory management is, and how the gameplay actually happens. So one by one we'll check all the games. So that's how. Let's just check other games. So we played Injustice, we played GTA. Now time for Mortal Kombat. And we are victorious. We'll finish him later. Let's quickly check the last game that we have open in the background, which is Asphalt 8 Airborne from Gameloft. So now time for check the multitasking part. So it's well paused. Let's quickly check injustice. Paused. Then time for check PTA. It's paused as well. So there you see that how efficient or how powerful the multitasking is. That with these four, one of the I mean these four are like the four heaviest games for Android, frankly speaking. So uh, all of them were sent to the background and they are paused. So which means that it's able to handle all this heavy load so easily. So as I said, the combination of 6 GB RAM and the Snapdragon 835 with pure Android should be a winner, and it easily looks like, because we saw that all these these apps are there. We see the apps are open, camera is open here, the browser is open with 10 tabs, and then all these games are here, and they none of them crashed or anything. It's easily, they have been easily sent to background, and they have like resuming from the background. So that is great actually. We can just say that the multitasking part is amazing. So everything resumes so well. The heaviest of the games on Android, nearly all are here. It's like Mortal Kombat or Asphalt 8 or Injustice. All are well paused and you can resume them. So we can simply say that Nokia at Sirocco is master of multitasking. Amazing device with four heaviest games on Android open in the background, with browser being 10 tabs open in the background, other apps, camera open in the background. It handles everything with so much ease. Everything is handled perfectly. So that is something we really loving about Nokia at Sirocco. So as I said, even Nokia, it was very efficient, but with four heavy games, perhaps even Nokia 8 could have kind of struggled a bit. But there are like no signs of struggle on Nokia at Sirocco. So if you talk about the performance of Nokia at Sirocco, it's just amazing. So we were talking about the browser. So we saw that multitasking, gaming, etc. are like awesome, and how the browsing. So everything with so much load in the background. Now you see still the load is there in the background. When you go to the browsing, it's so fast, so easy. You do whatever, you zooming in, zooming out, scrolling, everything is so smooth, and the device is still so fast. It seems that still it can take more apps, it can open more apps, it can even play more games, you can open more games. It's so good. Okay, so with that we come to end of this video. Hope you have liked the video and the performance test of Nokia at Sirocco. And frankly speaking, Nokia at Sirocco impresses a lot. It comes out as a winner with heaviest of the games open in the background. The multitasking is butter smooth. So with that, we say thanks to you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more as we bring more on Nokia Power.